Howdy folks, today I'm going to come on here and make a video regarding on how I hooked these 10-inch kicker subwoofers up to my 4th gen Mazda 3 without the Bose sound system. So for starters, I bought this Scosche amp wiring kit from Canadian Tire, and I ran the power wire from the battery connection up there all the way back down there to this rubber grommet. You're not going to be able to see it very well in video, but there is a rubber grommet back there that I hooked it up to. And then underneath the driver's side footwell, you can see where she actually comes out of the grommet up there, and she fishes her way down through behind this panel here, where it then proceeds to go all the way up under these panels here, through the back seat under these panels here. I'm not going to be able to fold the seats in all the way, but you can see she runs up underneath the panels, up underneath the trunk here, and then she comes out to the amp right there. In terms of finding my speaker, I chose to do the kick panel speaker located underneath the driver's side footwell, up right there. You can see it there on the video. It's that black thing. And for my car, red was positive, blue was negative. And to get my wire for the speakers to the amp, I decided to go across the dashboard like that, down along the passenger side, starting over there, running across the top of the dashboard, and down into this panel here, where I actually have my line output converter stored. From there, it runs underneath this trim panel here, underneath all of this, into the back seat, where it runs up this panel here and out through here. Now if I fold down my back seat, you can see there is the blue speaker wire right there. It hooks up to the amp on the other side and then runs the cables for the subwoofer from here to right there. Another thing included with this amp was actually a bass knob, which I ran using that black wire right there. I ran it underneath the seat, underneath all those trim panels again, under the dash, and I have it attached right there onto the center console. And here's the subwoofers. I'll include a clip of them playing music, so I'll just prove that they actually work, but they absolutely pound in this car. And yeah, that's everything. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.